You may have seen this viral video that's going around the internet of a homeowner in Texas whose mortgage payment doubled in his second year of home ownership, and he's being forced to sell it because he can't afford the mortgage payments on it. Well, it comes down that he had an escrow account that was grossly underestimated. It was a new construction, a new build, and the taxes on the property were egregious. And so in his second year of home ownership, he had to catch up the first year of taxes and then also increase it for the future. So your mortgage payment is compiled of your principal and interest payment, and then your escrow account, which is where they hold your taxes and your insurances for your property to be paid out to the county and to be paid out to your homeowner's agent. Well, it's very common on new construction for them to not assess the property properly. In other words, they're not collecting enough in that first year. Sometimes they'll assess it if there was dirt without a building on there and it's just not enough. Secondly, if your homeowner's insurance increased or they increased your payment because the cost to rebuild that structure has gone up, you're gonna see increases in your escrow account. But what do you do if this has happened to you? And so many people this is happening to right now. You have a couple of options. Option number one, they'll give you the ability to pay that in installments over the next year. In other words, catch up what they paid if they didn't collect enough and pay it monthly in your payment. Secondly, if you can afford this, to pay one big lump sum and catch it up, maybe you're $600 or $800 behind or $1,000 behind because they didn't collect enough, you can pay that lump sum and then they won't adjust your payment only for the portion that it went up. So you're gonna have an increase either way, but it won't be as big if you pay that lump sum. Thirdly, if you can't afford those taxes and those insurances, you just sell the property. Hopefully that's not anybody and you can make those adjustments to your budget, but that's why your mortgage payment is going up, because of that escrow account increasing for taxes and insurances.